Hello everyone, don't always braise or stew tofu. Today I'm going to share a delicious tofu recipe with you. No deep frying, no boiling. After it's done, it's aromatic and incredibly tasty, perfect for satisfying your cravings. The method is simple, so if you love tofu, be sure to save this recipe. First, let's prepare 2 blocks of silken tofu. Cut the tofu into thick slices about 1 centimeter thick. Then cut them into slightly wider strips. After cutting, place them in a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt to enhance the base flavor. Add some dark soy sauce for color. Then pour in plenty of boiling water. Set it aside to soak for 10 minutes to remove the beany smell. Prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger and dice it finely. After cutting, place it on a plate and prepare a section of green onion. Chop the green onion into small pieces. Chop several cloves of garlic into small pieces. Prepare 2 yuan worth of lean pork and cut it into small pieces. Then mince the pork. After cutting, place it on a plate for later use. Prepare a few dried chili peppers and cut them into small sections with scissors. After cutting, sift out the chili seeds. Soak them in clean water for a while so they won't burn easily when stir-frying. Also prepare a small amount of Sichuan peppercorns. Prepare a sauce. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce to a bowl. Add 1 spoonful of oyster sauce. Add half a spoonful of salt. Add 1 spoonful of chicken bouillon. Add a little sugar and an appropriate amount of pepper to enhance the flavor. Add 1 spoonful of cornstarch. Add half a bowl of water and stir the sauce well with a spoon. Now our tofu has finished soaking, so drain the water. Next, add a little oil to the pan and heat it up. Then arrange the tofu evenly in the pan. Turn the heat to low and slowly pan-fry the tofu until it turns golden brown. This will make it more fragrant. Fry the tofu until all sides are golden brown. Once the tofu is done, remove it from the pan and set aside. Leave some oil in the pan, add the mincemeat, and stir-fry until it breaks apart and becomes fragrant. Then add the chopped green onion, ginger, garlic, dried chili peppers, and Sichuan peppercorns, and stir-fry until fragrant. Dear friends, if my video has been helpful to you, please kindly give it a like and share it with others. Thank you all for your support. Once it's fragrant, add the tofu. Stir-fry everything evenly. Then pour in the prepared sauce. Stir-fry everything evenly. Let it cook for 2 minutes so the tofu absorbs more flavor. That's about right. Turn the heat to high and reduce the sauce until it thickens, so the tofu is evenly coated with the sauce. Finally, add an appropriate amount of chopped green onion. Stir everything evenly, and it's done. Wow, it smells amazing. Alright, take it out of the pan and plate it up. A delicious pan-fried tofu dish is ready. The tofu is tender and flavorful, bursting with aroma, perfect with both rice and drinks. If you enjoyed this, remember to like, follow, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.